Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make construction paper flowers. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need a variety of colorful construction paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick or craft glue. A pencil and a ruler are also very helpful for precise cutting and measuring. For added detail, consider having pipe cleaners for sturdy stems and small buttons or beads for the flower centers. These simple materials will help you create beautiful, lasting blooms. Now, let's shape our petals and leaves. Begin by cutting several strips of construction paper, each measuring 1 inch wide by 6 inches long. Fold each strip in half lengthwise, then carefully cut a rounded petal shape from the folded edge. For the leaves, cut green paper into simple leaf forms, approximately 3 inches in length. To give your flowers a more realistic appearance, gently curl the edges of your paper petals using a pencil or your fingers. With your petals and leaves ready, it's time for assembly. Take 5 to 7 of your crafted petals and arrange them in a circular pattern, overlapping slightly. Apply a small dab of glue to the base of each petal to secure them together, forming the flower's bloom. Next, attach a decorative center. A small button or a contrasting paper circle works perfectly. Finally, glue your green leaves to the underside of the flower's base, completing its natural look. To finish your beautiful paper flower, you can attach a pipe cleaner to the back with glue, creating a sturdy stem. Once you have made several flowers, arrange them into a charming bouquet for a lovely centerpiece. These handmade creations are perfect for decorating your home, gifting to friends, or adding a festive touch to any celebration. Feel free to experiment with various paper colors, textures, and petal designs to create unique and personalized blooms.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.